Avalanche Core Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Avalanche Core Wallet App has become a go-to for users diving into the Avalanche ecosystem. But is it really the best wallet for managing AVAX and DeFi assets? Let's break down the pros, the cons, and the surprising truth about Avalanche Core. First, the pros. Core Wallet is the official wallet built by Avalanche, meaning it's designed specifically to integrate seamlessly with the Avalanche network. That gives it a big edge in performance, reliability, and compatibility. One of its best features is built-in cross-chain support. Core lets you manage assets across Avalanche's C-chain, X-chain, and P-chain directly, without needing multiple wallets. This makes staking, trading, and transferring AVAX incredibly simple. Another major advantage is native DeFi integration. Users can access decentralized apps, NFT marketplaces, and DeFi platforms directly within the wallet, similar to how MetaMask connects to dApps but optimized for Avalanche's speed and low fees. Security is also a strong point. Core is non-custodial, meaning your private keys are stored locally, not on any server. It also supports Ledger hardware wallets for added protection. And unlike many blockchain wallets, Core has a browser extension, mobile app, and web interface, giving you flexibility wherever you are. Now, the cons. One downside is that Core Wallet is focused primarily on Avalanche, so it doesn't natively support other blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin, at least not without bridging. Another limitation is that bridging and swapping assets can be complex for beginners, even though the interface is polished. And while it's improving fast, the wallet still lacks some of the advanced portfolio tracking and analytics seen in third-party apps. In conclusion, the Avalanche Core Wallet app is a powerful, secure, and beautifully designed wallet for anyone invested in the Avalanche ecosystem. The surprising truth? It's not the most universal wallet, but for AVAX users, it's as close to perfect as it gets.